video, we're going to be creating a simple linear gradient in React Native. So we're going to do this using React Native linear gradient. So I have created this simple app here. It's not centered, the app is showing somewhere here. So let us center it. We're going to say style is equal to flex of 1, justify content center, align items center, and that is it, like this. So now, after the style, we can now, so you can now see our app. This text here is at the middle of the screen. Now we need to add the linear gradient. So here in this new terminal, I will say yarn add React Native linear gradient. So CD linear gradient. So the linear gradient has been installed. So what we'll do is go to iOS folder and CD linear, CD iOS. I will say pod install, because we're installing the pods for the first time. So to install the pods, there wouldn't be much. It's just linear gradient that is in our package.json. So there is nothing much here, so it wouldn't take much time to do that. So the pod has been installed now. So the pod has been installed, and we'll go back to our app. I will say import linear gradient from React Native linear gradient, like this. Okay. Now here we'll start implementation. We'll change this to linear gradient. So now this is linear gradient, and we'll bring in the colors. We'll say colors, which is one of the parameters that does linear gradient text. So colors will be an array of colors. We can say yellow, red, we can say purple. So these are our array of colors. And now here we can say start is equal to x 0, y 0. This means x is from the left side of the screen, and y0 is from the top side of the screen. So now we'll add end is equal to x1 y1. So x1 is to the bottom of the screen, and y1 is the bottom of the screen, and x1 is the right hand side of the screen. So now let's refresh our app and see if it shows. If not, we are gonna reload the app. Okay, required was not found. So what we're going to do is to reload the app completely. So we'll say npm React Native yarn start reset cache, and then iOS. So it's going to build the iOS app again, and this time around I believe it will catch the gradient because it has already been installed in the ports. So let's wait while the gradient is installed. So it's taking some time to reboot the app. Okay, the app has been built successfully. So now let's see if our gradient displays. Good. So now this is our app. It has yellow at the top, red at the middle, and purple at the end. Thank you for watching. Please like this video if you learned something, or subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you.